I don't have to do anything. I just get this nice monthly report that tells me, oh, patients really loved you. This is what they have to say about you. Obviously, you go in with a leap of faith. You do it. They do a good job. You stay with it, and that's been what we've been doing for a while now.
I am thrilled to introduce Evelyn Bey from Ramapo Ophthalmology Associates. Your practice has been leveraging WRS Health Ophthalmology Cloud Reputation Management Services, and it's wonderful to have the opportunity to hear how it has positively impacted your practice. Right. So, Evelyn, before partnering with WRS Health Ophthalmology Cloud Reputation Management Services, what were the biggest challenges your practice faced in collecting and managing patient reviews? And how did these challenges affect your ability to build trust and maintain your online reputation?
Wow. Okay. Well, number one is we really didn't have a system in place. Just sort of would hope that patients, occasionally we might say, oh, patient who expressed that they had a great experience, we might encourage them to leave a Google review. Very few patients actually proceeded with that. They liked us, they liked the services, but getting somebody to sit down and write a review for you was not our priority. We're here practicing ophthalmology, and that's sort of an area that we just didn't have the manpower for or the ability to put all those pieces in place. Obviously we are required to get the amount of people that you guys have gotten for us to respond is pretty amazing. And so we've been very, very happy with just the sheer, I don't have to do anything. I just get this nice monthly report that tells me, oh, patients really loved you. This is what they have to say about you. And it's a great tool. I hang it up in my our conference room or gathering room for our employees, and I tell them what a great job they did. And so it's all around a very good and positive experience.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that. When you
Mhm.
first considered using WRS Health Ophthalmology Cloud Reputation Management Services, did you have any hesitations or concerns, and what were they?
Well, I didn't really have any concerns, to be honest with you. I thought, hey, it's better to have somebody at least paying attention to this. And so it was just a relief that there was going to be someone else paying attention to it. I absolutely had no concern about doing it. Obviously, you go in with a leap of faith. You do it. They do a good job. You stay with it, and that's been what we've been doing for a while now.
Perfect. I know you shared a few positive feedbacks earlier, but I would just like to reiterate, how has WRS Health Ophthalmology Cloud Reputation Management Services helped you overcome those challenges that you mentioned earlier?
Yeah, it's 100%. Taking us from very little involvement and very little presence in terms of Google reviews. An amazing. We're always in the close to 5-star reviews as you can get, and I think that has just helped us with our community. Patients call in all the time. Where did you hear about us? We always ask the question. That's the one thing we do is, how did you hear about us? And we always need to know, because as a doctor's office, you need to know, was the patient referred, from another doctor? And then we have that conversation with them. And so often we get, oh, from the internet, and you guys have amazing reviews. So that's really been the experience. I can't beat that.
That's fantastic to hear. Your practice has consistently maintained higher ratings with a monthly average of 4.8 stars from 16 reviews over the last 6 months to a total of 1,320 Google reviews with a 4.8 star average in November 2024. Evelyn, how have these results impacted your practice's reputation and ability to attract new patients?
Well, I think it has a great impact. People go online. That's how they're looking for doctors now. It's not like in the old days where it was, it is to some extent. Of course, people, will listen to their family members or neighbors or friends who've had good experiences. But sometimes they just want to know. They go online, Google eye doctor for the location that they're in, or they want to be seen in. And I think because we have a high satisfaction rate, we get phone calls.
Perfect. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, Evelyn.
You're welcome.
And it's really inspiring to see how WRS Health Ophthalmology Cloud Reputation Management Services have helped your practice maintain such an outstanding online reputation.
Yeah, we're very happy to have partnered with you to do that. So let's keep up the good work.
Well, your feedback is invaluable, and we truly appreciate your partnership.